Stranger Things Demogorgon Cake, this what one of my daughter friends asked me for her birthday. She provided me a design I will put in the description, the one I tried to replicate. Let's see how I made it. First I made the Demogorgon in sugar paste, as it has to residential 1 day or more. For the model I looked for a photo of the size I wanted to reproduce, and with red and gray sugar paste I made the model. I put the flower head in a bowl with some baking paper. When it dried, I painted it with black gel color. I then prepared the sponge. The recipe is the one in the tutorial that I leave you in the description because Amelia likes chocolate and berries. Once the base was prepared, cooked and cooled, I cut it and then I filled it and put it in the fridge to rest covered in acetate. In the meantime I made the dots on the head of the Demogorgon. The next morning, I then covered the cake with chocolate ganache to isolate it so I could cover it with sugar paste, which I did a few hours later. I used a mold to give the wood effect and the string of lights to fondant. I left it in the fridge until I served it complete with its Demogorgon that I applied at the last moment. Let me know if you like this tutorial. If you know anybody that you believe will enjoy it, please share this video. If you are interested in more content of this type, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and stay tuned for my next video. Bye.